weiß nicht, was soll es bedeuten, dass ich so traurig bin? Ein Märchen aus alten.
Hi there, wig lover! This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you another outdoor review. The sun isn't really cooperating with me all that much, but I still think it's bright enough to show you how this color looks and show you this fabulous new wig from Rene of Paris. This one is called Jayna, and the color I'm going to be spotlighting today is Coffee Latte-R. So let me go ahead and get that color out of the way. This one is a great color for anybody who likes dark browns, because the root color is very, very dark. And then on top of that, towards the front here, you've got some light golden brown highlights, and then as you get further back in the wig, it turns more into like a medium golden brown highlight. So you get 3 different shades of brown in this one. You get the dark brown, you get the medium golden brown, and you also get the light golden brown. So it's really nice. And this one's also rooted, which is an extra nice little touch. But of course the rooting is the same color you have here at the base, which is kind of like a number 4. It's just a nice dark brown. Now this particular wig I find kind of intriguing because I think that this is actually a lot like my go-to wig right out of the box. My favorite Rene of Paris wig for personal use is the Cameron wig, and the top of this wig is an awful lot like Cameron. I mean, it's a lot like Cameron. So you can actually get a ton of volume from the top of Jayna. More so, I think, than what it actually looks like in the manufacturer photo. So if you're interested in something that's got a lot of texture and could potentially have a lot of volume towards the top, this is a great choice. Now that being said, like Cameron, it has the same problem, whereas if you've got a small face, this is gonna be a very overwhelming wig on you. It just is. It's got a lot of volume, a lot of texture, and a lot of permatease up here at the top. So even though it's tapered and it's a little bit, you know, less voluminous down here, it might still be kind of overwhelming given all the hair that's at the top here. So just a little FYI there. I find this particular wig to be really cute on. It just doesn't really look like the manufacturer photo to me, at least not right out of the box. Maybe you could style it that way, but this is literally how it came. The front here is 5.5 inches, so it falls right around the nose. Same thing with Cameron, by the way. I mean, not exact same measurement, but very similar. The crown down is 6.3 inches, and then the nape is 2.3 inches, so we've got a very short nape here. So the sides of this wig are curled. That's really the key selling point of this wig and the real thing that differentiates it from Cameron. Lots and lots and lots and lots of big, big, voluminous curls. I mean, they can't even really be called curls, really. They're just kind of big, loose, not straight parts. I don't even think there is a proper word for what kind of curl these are, but they seem to be really popular this year. Lots of different manufacturers are kind of running with it. It's very cool though, very interesting texture. Definitely gives the wig a lot of body. Here is the back of Cameron. Now when I'm outdoors, when I turn away from the camera, it's kind of hard to hear what I'm saying. So I'm going to reserve my talking for when I turn back around, but I still want to show you the back of the wig. So Jayna doesn't move too much. That's due to the texture. I'm gonna move that hair over that way. It's due to these big poofy curly knot curls. They make the hair not want to move, and it's not that big a deal. Very, very interesting, highly textured little wig hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop Jayna off so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. Like all Rene of Paris wigs, the cap construction is pretty basic. You've got rose lace all over the top, kind of stretchy. On the back, not too stretchy. It's definitely stretchier on the sides than you'd get with Noriko or more. You do have a felt extended nape here, which is nice. And then nothing special here on the ear tabs, just some rose lace. And then, of course, epic amounts of permatease in the top. Now, like all Rene Paris wigs, I think they could probably stand to give you a little bit more hair in the back, but that problem's not as bad with Jayna as it is with some of the other wigs that have the shorter backs here. So this one's actually pretty good. And here you can see what that highlighting pattern looks like. You could definitely detect the flecks of the light golden brown towards the top, and then that medium golden brown, just to give it a little bit of warmth in that sea of dark number 4 brown. So beautiful color, and you even get some of the highlights down here towards the bottom, which is very cool. You can check out that texture. Very interesting texture. But again, like I mentioned before, even though this wig feels fabulous, like the hair feels great, and I think that it's very interesting looking right out of the box. It does look a little bit different in real life than it does in the manufacturer photos, as you can tell on me. It's definitely more voluminous in real life than it is in the manufacturer photo, so keep that in mind. If you've got a small face, I can't emphasize it enough, this is gonna be way too much hair for most people with small faces. But if you have a Heather-sized face or something akin to that, then this is gonna be a really nice amount of volume, because it's just gonna kind of even you out a little bit. So I'm gonna try pushing this back a little bit just to see what that looks like. So, you know, you have some styling possibilities here with this wig. You'd have to train it to go where you want it to go, but you could sweep it off like that, or brush these kind of wavy layers forward. So that's all she wrote. This has been the Jayna wig in the gorgeous color Coffee Latte-R, which is a very nice highlighted dark brown color, but it's not so highlighted that's like, oh, highlights. So it's just very pretty looking. So thank you for watching. Check out my web store if you get a chance, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.